Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 30 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly. For example, the app crashed and you cannot tap on anything, the screen does not respond to your touches. Then you can try to force restart it. And to do it, we have to simply press the power button, which is right here, and press it long enough to see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let's keep pressing. We've got this restart option, but let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. So keep pressing. And as you can see, we've got the black screen, and right now I felt a slight vibration. We can see the developer's logo, which simply means that our device will restart the system and it should work properly. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.